It's f***ing amazing. It's really amazing.
Sounds great, it really does, and it's a significant sonic improvement.
The new line of HD I/O sets a higher bar for quality for I/O peripherals in the Pro Tools HD line. We are focusing on bringing the best sounding I/Os to market with solving the customer workflows at the same time.
These are really the first interfaces that are going to carry the Avid name. In thinking about that, it was really important that we establish the right expectation for what it means to be an Avid audio product and carry that brand. And so that's best-in-class sound quality, the kind of integration that our DigiDesign customers have always been used to with our I/Os, but we wanted to take it up to the next level and really exceed their expectations with this product.
The new HD I/O series is a great example of how we're taking customer feedback and turning it into a real product with many of the features that they're asking for.
So as a result of all this work and the way we're doing things now, we have an amazing set of new products that we're launching, starting with the new HD series interfaces, the HD I/O, the HD Omni, and the HD MADI.
With the release of the HD I/O, we're able to bring something that we really think is special and unique to market.
The improvement in the I/Os is really pretty spectacular. And for it to have 16 ins and 16 outs with the improvement of the converters, which is pretty drastic, is great.
The HD I/O was completely redesigned from the ground up to be the absolute best quality interface that we've ever made. We redesigned the analog section, redesigned the power supply. We've achieved performance increases in the dynamic range, in the noise levels, done things with the architecture, the signal path to make a better sounding product, and it really paid off.
I felt that it had more presence, warmer. I would definitely deem it, a significant improvement. The highest priority is fidelity. The fact that you guys are focusing on that so heavily with the new converters, to me, is exciting.
We've spent a lot of time trying to create the best capture device so that what you're hearing is as close as possible to the source you're capturing.
Whether it's a distorted guitar, a trashy drum kit, or an orchestra or a piano, whatever it is, or a vocal, you want it to be represented the way you hear it in a room or when you put a microphone in front of it. And hearing the new I/Os, they sound that way to me. They sound really, really natural and really transparent.
So for years, we've gotten a lot of requests for a box that would allow customers to do multiple things in one interface. They want to track, they want to record, they want to mix, they want to monitor. HD Omni is the answer to that customer request, where we've delivered a product that really does everything, but at a super high level. A lot of times with a box like this, sound quality and performance is compromised because you put so much in the box. What we really tried to do with this box was not have any compromises across the board. So you've got great mic pre's, great conversion, great monitoring solution, digital formatting, everything you need to make a super high quality product.
For them to have a one rack space piece of gear that would allow them to use HD and be fully compatible with all the HD plugins and TDM plugins, and have all the control room control, some preamps, and multiple outputs, I think it's really cool.
The HD Omni I/O is a great piece for any size Pro Tools HD rig. From the editor who wants to do all the mixing in the box, this could be their only I/O. For monitoring, great headphone jacks, can handle up to 8 outputs for a 7.1 monitor, but also for the large-scale Pro Tools HD mix houses where you have many inputs and many outputs, it's still the perfect monitoring box to add to that system.
For me, it'd be a whole lot easier, and I like the idea that it's much smaller.
The HD MADI peripheral is a great example of user feedback coming into a product. MADI is becoming a standard in communicating large, dense numbers of digital channels, ins and outs. Now, in Pro Tools HD, you can have 64 inputs sample rate converted to 64 outputs sample rate converted with a single peripheral directly to Pro Tools.
To me, I really feel like the HD Series I/O is a true collaboration between Avid Audio and our customers. These set a new standard for how good your mixes can sound with a really high quality converter.
impressed, man. Put us on the list.